SEBI Grade A Phase 2 Exam Analysis 2021. SEBI, that is Security Exchange Board of India, Grade A. Phase 1 was already completed in the last month, and now the Phase 2 was conducted today, that is 27th of February 2021. But before we go into this exam analysis and how this is useful to the next exam, that is RBI Grade B and also ECGC PO, NPC Trust, because there are reading comprehension, pressure writing, and also essay questions that will be asked in the examination as well. So depending upon the structure and the examination, how the things went in this exam, that is SEBI Grade A Phase 2, there might be an exemplary for or also very important for the coming examination. So before we get into that, there was a Phase 2 exam, that is paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 consists of 100 marks and consists of 60 minutes, and cutoff is 30%. That is totally English descriptive test. We'll be seeing what are the questions which were asked in the English section. And paper 2 consists of general stream that comprises of commerce, accountancy, finance, management, costing, Companies Act, economics. So this is regarding the general stream, and for different stream, that is legal, engineering stream, civil and electrical and other official languages, multiple choice questions was asked, and that is for 100 questions, that is for 100 marks and 40 minutes. So this is what we'll be discussing regarding paper 2 and paper 1 in this video of SEBI exam which was held today. So the cutoff for paper 1 is around 30%, and while paper 2 is around 40%, which was notified earlier in the notification as well. So SEBI Grade A Phase 2 paper 1 analysis, and for English section, comprehension was asked in the theme of money and its history for 40 marks and having the 5 questions, and also one pressure writing which was on the financial market behavior and how the financial market behavior, that is the stock market, was asked, and you need to cut short that total to a limit, that is word limit of 170 words, that is we call it as pressure writing, which was based on stock market. And there were 4 essays, and only one essay you need to be attempted, and for 30 marks with a word limit of 200 words. The essay topics which were out of 4, you need to focus on 1 and you need to attempt it. So the topics which were given in today's exam is importance of teamwork in any organization, and second one is pros and cons of merger and acquisition, and what is the fake news and how can we identify it, and fourth topic which was role of technology in detecting financial fraud. So these are the topics which were asked in today's examination. So there might be a chance, if you have a good insight of these topics, that might be relevant to the next exam, that is coming examination, ECGC PO as well, and RBI Grade B Phase 2 examination. Maybe it might be helpful in the coming sections and coming examinations as well. So these were the questions which were asked in Phase 2 exam 2021 on 27th February 2021. So the sectional cutoff, not sectional cutoff, but the weightage of questions in different segments, that is accountancy, management, finance, costing, Companies Act, economics, is around 4 to 5 questions, but more questions were regarding the management. 10 questions were asked, and finance 10 to 15 questions were asked, and also costing around 8 to 10 questions were asked, and economics for 4 to 5 questions, and also Companies Act there are only 3 to 4 questions were asked, and accountancy there are 4 to 5 questions were asked. So around the exam was difficult, and around 13 questions were numerically based, that is based on accountancy, and as per the notification, the cutoff for the paper 2 is around 40%, and also merit will be deciding the factor of further consideration into the round of interview. And also some of the questions that were asked based on different topics which we have just now read, that is section 24 of SEBI deals with what transferring shares, and second question, one question related to turnover ratio, and another question related to accounting standard, and one question theoretical question on depreciation, and 2 questions were asked from communication, one from oral and one from barrier of communications, and 2 questions were on motivation. 4 to 5 questions were based on Companies Act, and 1 numerical question based on SEBI Act, and 1 question was related to general management, 1 question on Philip curves, and one question was based on money market, and two questions based on demand and supply, and difference between what is M1 and M3, and questions on annual return statement, and also special auditor is appointed by whom is a question, general awareness question, and also related to economy. Contribution per unit was asked. A question on fixed cost, break-even point, operating cost, and cash flow statement, and what does not influence the current account. These were four options were given, and questions on effective leader and types of supply in GST, and what is forward market regulated by, difference between GVA and GDP, and numerical questions on share purchase and fiscal deficit, removal of auditor before the expiry, and also business cycle. So these were the questions which were asked in today's examination of SEBI grade A. And if you are first to my channel, I request you to just see the playlist of latest job updates and also some of the exam analysis. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.